Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we are going to talk about the Angadona Macaron Silicone Baking Mats Kit, which we believe is the best macaron maker for both beginners and professionals alike. If you're into baking and want to take your macaron making skills to the next level, this kit is definitely something to consider. This 16-piece set comes with everything you need to make perfect macarons, cookies, and much more. The two half-sized silicone mats are designed to fit perfectly into standard 13 inches by 18 inches baking pans, which means you don't have to worry about them sliding around or losing shape during use. The mats are made from high-quality food-grade silicone, which is not only non-stick but also incredibly easy to clean. You won't have to deal with any annoying residue or burnt sugar, as it simply slides off when washed. You can either rinse them with warm soapy water or pop them in the dishwasher for a no-hassle cleanup. But it doesn't stop there. This kit also comes with 6 piping tips, 2 piping bags, and 3 bag ties, along with 2 couplers to help you create a variety of different designs and shapes for your macarons. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, these tools will ensure you get the results you're looking for without any mess. One of the best features of these silicone mats is that they're oven safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning they can withstand high temperatures without warping or losing their non-stick properties. This is perfect for achieving evenly baked macarons and cookies every time, with no burnt spots or undercooked areas. The mats also come with helpful guidelines that show you where to pipe your batter for perfectly round and consistent macaron shells. The versatility of this kit is another reason it stands out. Not only can you use it for macaron baking, but it's also perfect for rolling out dough, baking sticky caramels, or even roasting fish. The silicone mats don't absorb odors or flavors, so every time you use them, you're sure to get fresh, great-tasting results. In addition to the high-quality mats and tools, this set is incredibly durable and reusable. Designed to handle thousands of uses under extreme conditions, these mats are tear-resistant, flexible, and won't be damaged by metal utensils. This means you can use them again and again for years, saving you money and reducing waste compared to using parchment paper. Finally, if you're looking for the perfect gift for someone who loves to bake, this silicone baking mat kit makes a great choice. It's ideal for occasions like weddings, housewarming parties, Christmas, or Thanksgiving. With its practical use and impressive results, it's sure to be appreciated by any baker, whether they're a novice or an expert. So, whether you're looking to master the art of macaron making or just want a reliable baking mat for all your pastry needs, the Angadona Macaron Silicone Baking Mats Kit is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check it out and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching.